Well, guys, this is the tour of a crew mess on a cruise ship. Do you want to know how we eat food on a cruise ship? So we have our crew mess. This is the crew mess. OMG, it's such a huge crew mess. By the way, million thanks to this person. She is also working on a cruise ship as a chef. Please subscribe to her channel also. So let's see our crew mess again. So this is the crew kitchen, you can say, where the chef make food for us. So he's one of our friend, I guess. Now this is called the line, the hotline. You can see the label. So every morning they put the label and the food. So which food is there? So there's no miscommunication or misunderstanding that you have by mistakenly add a non-vegetarian as you are a vegetarian. No, it does not happen because you can see. So you can see n number of food. So this is, I think this is a bhurji, Indian bhurji. So there will be so many food. See, this is the breakfast time, by the way. Now this area where you can pick up the plates and cutleries like plates, fork, knife and all that. Now we also have milk. You can see this is called cereals, different types of cereals. Kellogg's in India, we know it. This is bacon and fruits. You can see how many different types of fruit we get every day. And every day I'm talking, it's not like once in a blue moon, every day. So this area is known as a crew kitchen. It is big. Now this is where we eat food. Now we take food from here and then we go to the, guys, let's see my favorite, yogurts. Now we have so many types of yogurts, again fruits. And the ship which we are talking, it's NCL. You can see how many, and this area you have ice creams and all, but that would be served in a lunch or a dinner time. And this is the area where crew people go have food. Now this is the coffee section, you can say. So you can see this is a coffee machine. Coffee section, you can see some milk, different types of tea packets where you can make different types of teas, coffee, decaf machine and some glasses and the juice machine. Yeah, you can have a juice from here. And this is the area where crew people have food, but it is written F&B working. Maybe because of this pandemic they have some rules and regulations that F&B will sit here. Now it's such a huge, and guys, this is the machine. This is the ice cream machine and it's free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. Now this is the toaster and some of the croissant bread beside it. Yes, I love it because I love toasting my bread before having it. Now these are the different sauces you get it. Every time the sauces are available. This is not a sauce, this is honey, and these are the sauces. You can see ketchup, you can see Tabasco and any other. Now this is a brown and white sugar. You can see it is huge. It is nice, beautiful, clean. And on a cruise ship they always take care of cleanliness, whether it's gonna be a passenger area or a crew area. Now other section, the same section, we have two different way. So this is the juice machine, cups and all that. Oh my god, so fast she is going. So, and you can get a TV also. You can see over the small yeah, TV. In a crew mess we also have TV for our entertainment. So when you are having a food, you can actually watch TV and have food. You have soda machine also. If you feel like having soda, you can have soda also, which is Pepsi and Coke, other stuff. Thumbs up, you won't get it on a cruise. So guys, I hope you like this video. I will see you in my next video. So stay tuned with Cruising with Goldy.